Hello everyone, my today's video is how to unlock a disabled iPhone. So right now I have a disabled iPhone. As you can see, I'm holding in my hand, and I will show you how to unlock this iPhone without paying anything to anyone. As right now you can see, at the moment iPhone is disabled. That's the screen is always coming and you're clicking on emergency, and this is you have. So I'm gonna show you without paying to anyone how you can unlock your disabled iPhone, and this method will work for all kind of iPhones, all kind of iOS. So all over the world this will work. So we're gonna do in front of you this thing. So before we start, please subscribe my channel, like my video, and give me comments if in any case. So many people send me messages, so I'm helping them how much I can every day. And this is 100% free service, so you don't pay, paying anything to anyone for this, and I'm not charging to anyone any single penny. So we're gonna start now. Okay, as right now you can see this iPhone is disabled. What we can do, we can click and just check. As you can see, it says iPhone is disabled. Yeah, you can see on your screen this iPhone is disabled. Yeah, you can see clearly. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to do very simple thing. We have to connect our phone with iTunes. This method gonna show you how you can unlock. Once you have to connect your iPhone with your iTunes. You have to press this button and hold, press and hold, and make it inside. Okay, and keep pressing, leaving this button until I will tell you. Okay, you press this button and you leave iPhone. Now you leave iPhone there. As everybody can see, I'm not changing any phone and I'm not cutting this video. So now next part, start. Okay, as you can see right now, this is iTunes. Okay, now we are going to check information about this phone. Okay, as you can see here, restore iPhone. So what do we have to do? We have to restore this iPhone. So many people gonna think it's gonna ask for ID, password. No, you don't need anything for this, and you will see how it's gonna work. One more time, I want you to see this iPhone is disabled. As you can see, nothing is working here. We click on emergency, this number's coming, nothing is happening. Okay, we're going back, this iPhone is still disabled. Now we're going to click, okay, I'm gonna put this iPhone here. We're going to click on the option that is restore, as you can see, and we're gonna wait. We click on restore and you have to click OK. Okay, now the process is started. Now the process is started. We just have to wait. Very soon this iPhone should be ready. Let's see how it's gonna work. Okay, now we are waiting because we click already for the option. Okay, we have to see this thing, how this thing gonna work. Okay, at the same time I will show you something what we can do. Even you can go into emergency button, you can click there and you're not gonna find anything. You can press numbers, whatever you can try anything, whatever you think is better. Okay, now next step is you have to press this button and hold it. Okay, I'm pressing this button and I'm holding this button as long we're gonna see this iPhone gonna be restart. Okay, now we're pressing. We're not gonna leave this button until we see it's gonna start reset. Okay, This is the main thing what really we have to do. Okay, for 1 second what do we have to do? Then I click again, we leave button, we click again. As you see, what start just now, it start resetting. The process we start there, it start already, as you can see. Yeah, you can see it goes off, is on again, is resetting already. So this is very simple and easy method, everybody can do, anyone can do this method. The only thing we have to do is we just have to go into, as you can see right now, this phone is resetting. I'm gonna leave this phone here, and as you can see, phone goes off automatically because the procedure from iTunes is completed, as you can see. But I'm gonna show you one more time before we're gonna finish. Okay, right now we are just waiting now. Once this processing gonna finish, make sure we have to connect. The time we're gonna connect with iTunes, we have to hold this button and we have to press. After that, when this phone before this phone gonna restart, on that time we have to keep pressing this button at least for 1 minute, I can say, and after 1 minute this phone gonna be restart again. As you can see, you can hear this phone is taking again control with iTunes. This is not cutting video, I didn't cut anything or I didn't change any kind of phone, because so many people saying maybe I'm changing phone. No, you can see everything is in front of you, so you better can see this. Okay, right now this phone is getting ready. As you can see here, the iTunes is getting ready as well. You can see very clearly. Okay, we're still gonna wait how this thing gonna work. Everybody can see this clearly, and this method is working. The only thing you have to do, you just have to click on the, you can see we're gonna click here on the setup as new iPhone, as you can see, and you're gonna click continue. Okay, as you see, the process is starting. Now we click get started. Okay, now you'll see all information about this phone there, but at the same time the phone is still in process, so we're gonna leave it like that. Okay, the phone is, I think, ready. We will see now how it's work. Okay, as you can see, you're gonna press straight away, you have screen set up manually. Okay, now here you have to add your password of your Wi-Fi. Okay, I will add in front of you. Okay, 1 second, here you can see clearly. Okay, 1 second. Okay, we're gonna join. Now everything is in front of you, you can see very clearly. Okay, now we're gonna press next. Once we press next, as you can see what's going on, here we go. You can see no cuts, no changing phones, and this phone is unlocked now. So this is how the people have this disabled iPhones. They can easily unlock by the method I just show you now, because so many people think maybe they can't unlock. No, you have to go to iTunes, and in iTunes you have to restore your phone from there, and 100% you're gonna have your phone ready. As you can see right now, this is fresh phone now, very fresh phone. As you can see, very clear, everything inside. We're gonna click settings, and in settings, as you can see right now, sign into your iPhone. So you can click and you can sign in. As you can see, it's empty now. So this is all about today. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, and thank you very much for today.